Look, I want to transform how you look. If you want a drastic change in how you look, and I'm talking a drastic change into the positive, of course, like drastically look better, just change your grooming routine. Literally, you change certain aspects into your grooming routine, I promise you, you will drastically not only look better, but feel better. Today, I'm gonna show you those exact 5 changes you can do to your grooming routine today that will drastically change how you look. Let's go. Number 1, change the direction of your hair. This is the easiest and cheapest way to change how you look. See, if you are used to pushing your hair backwards, I want you to start combing your hair forwards. Add a little volume to the front. If you're used to combing your hair to the left, I want you to comb your hair to the right and give that hair extra volume. See, just changing the direction that you naturally comb your hair will give your hair and your face structure a completely different look, to the point that you can actually end up look better. For example, if you're a dude with a big forehead and you start combing your hair forward, it's gonna hide that forehead and make you look better. If you're a dude that has maybe a very circular face, it looks a little chubbier, when you start combing your hair against the grain and give your hair some of that volume, it's gonna make your head look a little bit longer, literally changing the structure of your face and making you look better. Number 2, go bare. Like, I want you to shave everywhere, your chest, your arms, your legs. Shoot, I want you to even tackle your beard. It's a different look that's gonna add a little, it's definitely gonna be transformative, and it's gonna make you look shredded. It's gonna make you look younger. It's gonna make you look jacked. Shoot, I want you to even go bare down there because it's gonna make you look bigger. And here's the thing, I got you covered. See, when it comes to going bare down there, it's a little bit complicated. You can't just go down there with any old razor and any old equipment because you're gonna nick and cut yourself. But yes, boys, the old adage is true. If you lower the bush, the stick's gonna look bigger. You're gonna look like you're seriously packing a weapon of mass destruction, and my guy, who doesn't want that? So if you've never gone bare, go bare once. See the difference it's gonna make. Matter of fact, go and check out our ball shaving kit from our brand Manscaped. We just dropped it to help dudes that want to go bare down there. See, this ball shaving kit is the first kit, I think ever, in the history of grooming that's just specifically designed for your balls. Many times, most guys just grab a regular razor that they use for their face and go downstairs. No brand that I know of in the history has sat down like we did and started designing a kit specifically for your balls. See, the shaver itself, which we call the Pebble, was designed to help you shave down there, to give you ultimate control down there. Then we come with 2 products. The first one is a ball scrub. Again, who's done this? See, the ball scrub is there to remove all the grime, all the dirt, all the dead skin. When you scrub all that off, it's gonna allow our blade to glide over to be able to more easily shave down there to get the closest shave possible without any nicks or cuts, or minimizing the nicks and cuts. Number 2, we have our specific gel for your balls. See, this gel applies clear, and it again allows the blade to move smoothly, but since it applies clear, it also allows you to see where you're shaving, so again, you minimize the nicks and the cuts. There's nobody that's doing this. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, nobody has ever come out with the ball shaving kit for men until we decided to sit down like, yo, we need to solve this issue. And once you do start shaving, you'll probably never go back. It's gonna be smoother, it's gonna feel cooler, it's gonna feel refreshed, and yes, my guy, you're gonna be surprised by the mammoth you got packing down there. If you guys want to have that close shave, like that perfect shave, I want you to check out our shaving kit. Check out our ball shaving kit from Manscaped. It's gonna be linked down below. I'm also gonna include a 20% discount plus free shipping, as if it wasn't affordable enough. But like I said, boys, ain't nobody doing this. You buy this kit, you're part of history at this point. The first grooming shaving kit for your boys. And once you try it out, you'll probably never go back. If you guys want to check out our ball shaving kit, it's going to be linked down below. Number 3, move from regular moisturizer to tinted moisturizer. Look, I only really recommend this for guys that are really suffering from blemishes or acne scars, or skin imbalances. See, tinted moisturizers are just as good at hydrating the skin. Sure, yes, you can call it makeup if you want to, but really, it's a skin hydrator that's tinted in the same color of your own skin tone. The added benefit on top of hydrating your skin is that it's gonna cover over fine lines and wrinkles and blemishes and acne scars, giving you almost a brushed look to make your skin look perfect. Number 4, switch up the scent. See, switching up your fragrances is the easiest way to transform how you look and also get immediate compliments. It's also a great motivator and almost like a confidence boost. In the mornings when I put on my favorite fragrance, it's like, not only do I smell good, but it like motivates me. I love the smell so much. There's like an extra pep in my step. It's like this little euphoria that I get when I apply my favorite, like the perfume that I'm really rocking that week. And the thing is that if you're the dude that's only using deodorant, or that's your only scent, or your body wash is your only scent, you're really missing out. So I want you to save around 50 to 100 bucks and go out and buy yourself a grown man scent that's gonna give you that confidence boost. And if you're already wearing scents, switch it up. Like if you wear citrusy fresh scents, go for something woody and dark and masculine, or vice versa. And finally, number 5, try a body wash that exfoliates. See, this will change how you shower forever. There's a lot of body washes nowadays that come with little beads, usually biodegradable, that are natural, that will exfoliate your skin as you're lathering up. So not only are you cleaning yourself from all the dirt and the grime and the bacteria, the beads are also exfoliating your skin, lifting up the dead skin, removing that so new skin can come forth. What this does is that every time you step out the shower, you're gonna notice how smooth your skin is. One usage, like that's all it takes. Use it one time and compare it to your regular bar of soap that you're probably using. That bar of soap most likely is drying up your skin. A body wash like this, you're gonna step out with smooth, supple skin. Do this every single day for a few weeks. What ends up happening is that your chest acne, your shoulder or back acne, that's gonna start fading away and your skin's gonna get softer and softer and softer. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our Manscaped Ball Shaver. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.